What's up, homies? I'm meant to have a track session today at 3 o'clock. It's 3:12. Caroline told me 3 o'clock. I'm waiting on her slow back. Oh, here we go. You ready? Oh, hello. Speak louder. I am. Where are you? You're leaving your house now. There's no one here. Nah, no one. It's just me sweating it up in my car. Alright, cool. I guess I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne, oh nice. Maybe while we wait for those guys, I'll do a quick run over my bike, my whip, a little bike check. To start off, I ride a DK Triple XL frame. It's a PF30 bottom bracket, makes it stiffer out of the start. Pretty standard geometry frame, nothing crazy. Then we move on to the forks. I got our team sponsored by Box Components, or Box BMX, so we run the Carbon X5 box forks. Got the Box One bars with the Promax stem, just with the it's called oversized. Got the oversized box bar. Move on to the Maxxis tires, box rims. Run the Stealth hubs. Got the Box 30mm bottom bracket cranks. They're as stiff as they can get. Box brakes, basically everything DK, Box, Maxxis, and Stealth. Box plate, graphics on the plate done by 327 Designs. I got the Aaron Gwyn grips, simply just because I love a skinny grip to hold on the handlebars if it's fat. I'm not much of a fan. Then of course got the HT pedals. HT are leading the game right now in BMX with clip pedals. They're just so tight and just no room for error. And then even when you unclip, you've got a chance to clip back in because both sides of the pedals have a cleat. Unlike road pedals, which most people tend to go to just because of this tightness. But these ones go just as tight now, and you've got two sides of the pedal to clip into. So definitely I think a better option than any other pedal right now. Look who's decided to show up. Oh! Wait, you guys right? You guys brought me presents! Oh, thanks, mate. Got me gloves, time to hit the track. Warm up, a little bit breezy, but it looks like a tailwind for the pro straight, so we're gonna get steezy, boy! Woo! So dark. Barry got the hella setups for the GoPro.
We're out here just vlogging for Bodie Turner's vlogs. Yeah! Yeah, big jump! Yeah, it's so sick! So sick!
Was that you that was screaming?
Yeah. So sick! Sick! Big jump!
You must be a super fan.
Super fan.
Woo! That tailwind was fast. I didn't even have to pedal. The second one a bit, but...
Oh. Yeah. Did it still feel heavy in the front?
Oh yeah.
Okay. I tried to scoot it back a lot.
Yeah, boy.
That's really pushed out too.
Oh shit,
That's what I said.
yeah,
I
know. I was like, why are you gonna put it on my neck?
Secret, I'ma keep it all day.
Damn.
Hella street, bro.
I bet this breaks off.
Nah.
A lot of people still got a lot of shit to say about the clothes and the pics I post.
There goes Barrel first lap, clean. Caro next. Caro, send it.
From the bando to the Waldorf Astoria. If you don't like to see niggas shine, then close your eyes up. You wanna find it out, in the vibe, man. Autobiography, Gucci Man, the author, and I'm the trust sponsor, Gucci Man. Every day we lit, yeah, every day we lit. nothing, I'm gon' flex. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I give it my all. Yeah, all about my money, about respect. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If he hatin', put him to the left. Last time I checked, you were the one that left me in a wreck, me in a mess. You all I rep, like my side of rope.
Oh, that's it. I'm calling it. Session done. It wasn't too hot. There's a good breeze, but man, every lap would just take your breath away. I think I'm actually losing my voice. But no, it's a short, sweet session. Mad tail win for the Pro Straight, so it was fun. I'm done.